morning! So I spent the whole morning cleaning out my apartment and organising my stuff. So my mum passed me some snacks to bring over, and I also got some Japanese black bean tea which tastes really good. I always bring a planner with me whenever I go, and these were the books I got from yesterday. I also brought some bed sheets with me and also my dolphin pillow and made my bed so it looks really comfy. Set up my vanity table for the next 6 months as well, and also organised my entire wardrobe. As you can see, they're organised neatly, and I've also placed shoes down there. So it was time for me to go shopping, and I've decided to put my handbag in there, and yeah, that's the supermarket over there. It's a 15-minute bike ride, and I headed to Daiso first. So basically it's like a 200 yen store where you can buy anything for 200 yen, and they have like a lot of options available. To me that was perfect because I was living on an island and I just needed things temporary. I also needed to get some kitchenware as well, and yeah, this is my basket. I really like how they wrapped all the fragile stuff in newspaper. Did some grocery shopping at the supermarket next door. Everything's pre-packed, so it's so handy and convenient. And after shopping, I just decided to go to the cafe next door.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can understand this menu, but it looks amazing. It is fuwa kakigori, so it means like really soft and delicate and shaved ice. And here you have like a limited period of time only right now. They're doing this refreshing lemon shaved ice, strawberry shaved ice, mango shaved ice, matcha shaved ice, plain milk tea shaved ice, I think. This one is kinoko, which is like a roasted soy flour shaved ice, milk tea, and yeah. And at the back they do like desserts as well. So this place is pretty cool. Cute little coffee shop near my area.
So lunch is served, yay! I got these, they tasted so good, and also a bowl of salad and a pot of tea. Don't you think the color of the tea looks amazing?
The crunchiness from this is so good.
And now I have to balance back on how to bring the groceries and stuff back to the apartment. So I got the slippers from Daiso and a cushion ironing sheet to help iron my clothes, which is really handy, a second ironing sheet to put on top of the clothes. I got this to hang my clothes as well, planning to hang them up there. And also these are to put like my bras and panties and stuff inside when I wash them in the washing machine. And also a laundry mat for my clothes and stuff. And over here is my kitchenware items, so we have like the normal chopsticks and your fork and spoon because I don't want to share saliva with other people who've used it before, and also cups and bowls and other things like that. That's to put hot tea in, how good is that? And a pail to wash my laundry.
So I just finished teaching my class. Oh my god, the kids are so cute. So I had to teach like 4 classes today, and one of the classes, the little boy, I think it's only like 5 or 6, and he was like, oh my god, you speak Japanese? And I'm like, yeah. He's like, you're Japanese then? And I'm like, no, I'm Australian. He's like, no, you're Japanese because you can speak. And I'm like, okay, I'm Australian. He's like, no, Japanese. And then the kid opposite me was like, oh my god, that's not true, you're lying, because you know you have Japanese features, you look so Jap, you know, the way you wear clothes and the like, you know, like your facial, like your face and everything, you're like, it's so Jap. And I'm just like, thank you. And then the boy next to me again, he was like he did this to my skin. He was like, you're Japanese, look, even the color and the way you feel is Japanese. And I'm like, oh my god, this little boy is just too cute. So I just felt so happy. I'm like, aww. Yeah, so it's good. We have to like sing and we have to like engage with them. So it's like a textbook that we have to follow, and then we just sing, we just talk and try to ask them questions. Some kids are shy than the others, and others are more active, and I realized like after class they're even more shy. So it's very interesting, and they're exceptionally shy when their parents are with them. So in class they can be very active and very hyper, but the moment the mom or dad's there, they're like quiet and like really settled down. I'm like, whoa, this is like very interesting. It's like a really like a whole new side. So yeah, I really like it. I think it'll be really great for like teaching and learning experience. So I have to like create this like plan every day on like what to teach, and depending on what age and how well they are, you have to teach them different stuff, play different games, sing different songs. So yeah, I find that it's very very interesting, very creative. Like I'm learning a lot of new stuff, so I really like it. Yeah.
So I got myself takeaway salad from the supermarket, and also pre-made soba as well, so all I have to do is take it out. Voila, dinner is served. That looks so good, so easy to make as well, with barley tea and Netflix. Well, that's all for today guys, till next time, bye!